Self-respect. The moment you stop chasing people, they begin to notice you. The moment you stop begging for attention, people start respecting your time. Because the way the world treats you often begins with the way you treat yourself. Self-respect is not about thinking you're better than everyone else. It's about deciding that you are no longer willing to accept less than you deserve, and that decision can completely change your life. Most people spend years trying to earn respect from others. They work harder, they become nicer, they say yes to everything. They sacrifice their own happiness just to avoid disappointing someone else. But no matter how much they give, it never feels enough. The truth is, simple people rarely respect someone who doesn't respect themselves. Imagine carrying a priceless diamond in your pocket. Would you throw it on the ground? Would you let people step on it? Of course not. You protect what you believe is valuable. So here's the real question. Do you treat yourself like something valuable, or do you let anyone waste your time, ignore your feelings, cross your boundaries, and then convince yourself that it's okay? Self-respect begins with one powerful word: no. No to the things that destroy your peace. No to people who only remember you when they need something. No to relationships that constantly make you question your worth. Saying no doesn't make you rude. It makes you responsible for your own life. Many people are afraid to disappoint others, but every time you avoid disappointing someone else, and then you end up disappointing yourself. And little by little you lose confidence. Not because you're weak, but because you've taught your own mind that everyone else's happiness matters more than yours. Think about how many times have you stayed silent even when you knew you were being treated unfairly? How many times have you apologized for something that wasn't even your fault? How many dreams have you buried just because someone laughed at them? Every one of those moments sends a message to your brain. My voice doesn't matter. My feelings don't matter. My life doesn't matter. And after hearing that message for years, you begin to believe it. You don't need permission to respect yourself. You don't need everyone to agree with your choices. You don't need to explain every decision you make. A tree doesn't ask for permission to grow, or the sun doesn't apologize for shining. So why are you apologizing for becoming the person you were meant to be? There will always be people who dislike your boundaries. Not because your boundaries are wrong, but because they benefited from you having none. The moment you stop allowing disrespect, some people will call you selfish. But remember, protecting your peace is not selfish, it's necessary. Confidence isn't walking into a room believing everyone will like you. Confidence is walking into a room knowing you'll be okay, even if they don't. That's real power. The strongest people are not the loudest. They're the ones who can walk away from what no longer serves them. Even when it's difficult, especially when it's difficult. Sometimes self-respect means leaving a friendship you've had for years. Sometimes it means ending a relationship that constantly hurts you. Sometimes it means choosing loneliness for a while instead of surrounding yourself with people who make you feel invisible. Loneliness is temporary. Losing yourself can last a lifetime. That's something nobody tells you. Every decision you make is a vote for the person you're becoming. Every time you speak up for yourself, you're becoming stronger. Every time you protect your peace, you're becoming wiser. Every time you refuse to settle for less, you're teaching the world how to treat you. Small choices can create big lives. One boundary, one honest conversation, one brave decision, that's all it takes to start changing everything. You don't need to become perfect overnight. You only need to respect yourself a little more today than you did yesterday. Stand a little taller, speak a little more honestly, protect your time a little more carefully, because your time is your life.